Hi guys, imagine this situation. Imagine that you're on an exam and you just have 2 minutes to finish your exam. What can you do? What can you do if you have a text? For example, imagine that you have to complete this text. There are some sentences here and you have to complete this, true or false. In this case, you can use a strategy called scanning. What is scanning? It's when you read specific information in a text. This is very important when you have to answer something very quickly. How do we do scanning? First, check the questions. In our case, these are the questions. Read the article again. What does it say about these things? And then you read the sentences. The average American works under 10 hours a day, spends 3 hours and a half on the internet every day, etc. So we have all these sentences here. What do we do next? After that, you need to find important words in the questions. For example, works is an important word here. 10 hours. Other important words. Spends 3.5 hours. Internet is another important word. Gets up 8 a.m. You continue this process with all the sentences. Next step. You need to find these words in the text. For example, works, hours. So you check the text. Works. Here we found the word. Hours. We found the word. What is in the middle? 8. So it means this is the correct answer for this. Another example. Spends 3.5 hours on the internet. We need to find now the word spends. We found the word spends. 2.5 hours. So it means that the information here is different from here. 3.5 hours, which means that this is false. This is how it works. I hope this information is useful for you.